On Twitch, you may hear about two different types of streamers, affiliate and partner. But what the heck does that mean? Not only that, but now raids count towards partnership? Huh? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered, because in this video, we're going to go over the differences between affiliate and Twitch partner, and what it takes to get to both levels. At the end, I'll even give my hot take on the new partner application guidelines. To best explain this, we need to start off with a regular Twitch viewer. After making your Twitch account to watch streams, give subs, or lurk, your account is primed to also start streaming. This is the step before affiliate. You don't have access to emotes or channel redeems, but you can hit that go live button. Here's what you need to do to get affiliate. First, you'll need to stream at least 8 hours for 7 different days and get 50 followers. Lastly, and probably the hardest, you need to hit a 3-view average. This is your overall average, and you can track all of these stats in the Achievement tab of the Creator dashboard. It is also worth noting that raids, where a stream ends and their viewers get sent over, now also count towards your average where they previously didn't. If you want some of my personal tips for retaining viewership and increasing your shot at getting seen, check out my video on how to read and utilize your Twitch analytics. But once you finally hit affiliate, here's what you're gonna get. Chatters can now subscribe for 5 emotes, tip using Twitch bits, and you can also set your ad schedule. Before affiliate, there are still ads on your channel. You just have no say in when and don't get paid for them. Speaking of getting paid, there's also a small fee taken from you when payment is delivered, as a payment fee, about 25 cents is what I've seen. The next biggest perk of being an affiliate is the ability to use channel points. Channel points are the best tool to interact with your viewers, make challenges, queue up animations or sound effects, and well, almost anything can be done with the power of channel points. Lastly, affiliates also have more VOD storage. Affiliates can keep the past streams on their channel for 14 days instead of 7. So what's the difference between that and partner? Well, for starters, partnership isn't guaranteed as much as it is when completing steps for affiliate. Those steps to apply are similar, they're a bit different. There is no follower requirement, but the required hours go from 8 to 25, and now on 12 different days. The average also jumps from 3 all the way to 75 average viewers. Then, the hardest part arguably is actually getting accepted. Some streamers have applied over 15 times and they hit well above 100 CCV. It can also be rather commonplace to get rejected the first time. I got rejected my first time because although I had hit the steps, it had only been 3 months since I finally started, and they wanted to see more consistency over time and not just a big spike. But once you finally get that purple checkmarked letter, what does that actually get you? My favorite perk is being able to have up to 60 unlockable emotes. Those emotes do unlock through sub points, but even having 20 or 30 is a huge improvement. Next, VOD storage goes up to 60 days, meaning you'll have more time to work with the video, or if you're like me, your viewers have more time to watch the video before it goes into the ether if you don't bother having a VOD YouTube channel. Partner benefits also include no longer having to pay that small fee each time you get paid, can change your emote prefix every 60 days, have a planned delay of 15 minutes from the start of your live stream feed, start your own stream team, and can offer transcoding. That's the ability to change the resolution on a stream. There are also 3 lesser known perks to getting partner. The first is that you have access to a priority partner support experience. Basically, they promise you the fast pass in customer service, but from what I've heard, results may vary. The second is access to the Twitch partner Discord. Now, I won't share pictures, but basically they make important announcements and share front page application forms, as well as providing channels to just chat and vibe. There's even a VTuber specific channel. And lastly, as a partner, you'll gain access to private partner-only events and lounges at TwitchCon. Oh yeah, and how could I forget? A big purple check mark to add next to your name across Twitch. Got all that? Well, if you don't, or maybe want to see my yapping in a side-by-side comparison, I've put a link to the Twitch documentation in the description box for you to reference. That's the overview on the difference offered to Twitch affiliates versus partner. But I promised to give you my hot take, right? Well, here it is. When Twitch announced raids would now count, I had a few thoughts. First off, I was most excited for affiliates. Unlocking channel points and emotes are the biggest buff you can give your stream. I know most people were gunning for partner, but to be honest, getting affiliate is the biggest boost because it gives you all the tools and fun bonuses. And thinking about it, raids might not even matter in the big scheme of things. Unless those raids are steady and push you over the 75 viewer average, it might not play as much of a role as people think. When you raid out, how many of those people either A, like the person you're about to raid, or B, have the time to keep watching streams? It's tough to say, but knowing how picky Twitch can be when treating people in the application process who on their own hit those goals, raids alone may not be enough to secure the checkmark, so do keep that in mind. But anyways, maybe that hot take is just lukewarm, maybe it's scorching. Either way, let me know in the comments below, and if you have any comments, questions, and/or concerns, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Mwah!